Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to make a DIY tailor's ham. This is what I made. If this sounds like something you're interested in, keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get on with the tutorial. So guys, for this tutorial, I can use any type of fabric, most especially the one that is not stretchy. So I have two pieces of satin fabric and it measures 10 inches wide and 10 inches. So I have it as a square for the both of them. Now the next thing I'm just going to do is to fold this into four, just as if you are cutting a peplum. After doing that, from the tip of the fabric, I'll just go ahead to measure down at 3.5 inches. Now, this depends on the kind of bust you're working with. If you're working with a bust of 32, 33, 34, you can make it 3 inches. If you're working with a bust of 36 and above, you can make it 3.5 inches. It just basically depends on what range of bust size you normally work with. Now guys, I'll go ahead to place this on the black fabric and I'll also cut it out. Sweet melody. As you can see that we have a perfect circle. Now the next thing we're going to do is to stitch round it. But before doing that, we're going to give a little bit of gap for where we are going to leave an opening to turn this to the right side. So I left a 1.5 inches. You can leave 1, you can leave 2 depending on how you can turn it. So just go ahead to stitch it round. I've gone ahead to stitch mine round and also left the 1.5 inches for turning allowance. The next I'll just go ahead to do is to make notches all around, because this is circular and to enable us to turn it better and iron it out smoother. Now we can go ahead to turn this out to the right side. Having turned this outwards, I'll just go ahead to fold the opening inside and iron everything out flat. This is what I have after ironing, looking really nice. It's time for us to start stuffing the flat looking tailor's ham with our pieces. So you can just use whatever pieces you have. And we're going to continue stuffing this until it is very full and can no longer contain any pieces of fabric. Having stuffed it to its fullest point, I'm just going to go ahead to use my needle and thread to close up this area that we have here. Once you are satisfied with how well you have knotted it, you just go ahead to use your hand to somewhat mold the tailor's ham. Just use it to mold it very well, like to shape it, just as you see me doing. So guys, with that we have come to the end of the tutorial. The tailor's ham is used to iron any bustier or any curved area while sewing, so as to maintain that curvy shape. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and also comment. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.